You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Using a socket wrench, a long extender, a gimbal and a 16mm socket, remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery. Open the cover of the plastic case found on the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the lock nut holding the case in place. Then remove it. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. You can now remove the battery. Unclip the frame of the plastic casing located on the battery, then remove the frame. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Clip the fastening frame from the casing back on. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Start by screwing the positive terminal with a 10mm socket, then finish by screwing the negative terminal in. Put the plastic case back in and screw it in place. Close the plastic case. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.